My camera cut out, it's on 5%, guys. Fuck, I can't really see, but I'm just filming. It's like that woodpecker is fucking maybe trying to fucking warn me or something. I don't know, man. I can't see my camera, guys, so I'm trying to put it in the area where the fucking sound's coming from. I'm probably, guys, do not do this at home. I'm probably way too close than I should be. I want to get him on fucking. Oh my God, I hope to God I'm getting this on fucking camera, man. And every time he does it, the fucking woodpecker. Guys, I'm fixing to end this video. My battery life's dying. I hope to God I got something. Fuck that, man. Alright, guys. This is for y'all, so if you see anything I can't see because my camera is really about to die, put it down in the comments. Love you guys. Be safe.